Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 150. Today we showcase our new Tech Tuesday mobile app. Wow, it's hard to believe that we've made 150 videos so far. As I look back on the library of videos, I realized that some were outdated, but many were also forgotten gems. I realized that I needed to organize these so that people in our systems could find them easily. I first looked at making playlists, and while that did help, it didn't solve a bigger problem. That many of our viewers don't really get onto YouTube and browse very much, or they don't remember the channel URL, or they don't think to go back and start looking at Tech Tuesdays when they get on YouTube. There was a need to access just our videos, search for the topic you want, and play that video. So I created an app. A very simple app that lists all of the videos with descriptions, timestamps, and which would play the video directly. Our app can be found at techtuesdays.glideapp.io. I'll put a link in the description as well. Okay, so here's a quick rundown. When you first open the link, you'll see a QR code that you can scan to open it on your phone. You can also use the app right there in your browser if you want. Once you've opened it on your phone, Android users will get a prompt to add it to their home screen within a few seconds of use. iOS users will need to add it manually. I'll link to a video from Glide in the description, but here's the gist of it.
To do this on iOS, we visit the apps link in Safari, click Share, and Add to Home Screen. It's important to visit this link in the Safari browser. This won't work in in-app browsers like Facebook's browser or Instagram.
Okay, on the home screen, you're going to see a link to the channel and a subscribe button if you want to join us on YouTube. Tapping that will subscribe you to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and then you can hit the bell button if you want to get automatic email updates whenever we put up a new video. There's also a button for you to suggest a topic if there's anything you really want to see. Oh, don't miss the little information button in the top left corner, which will allow you to get the app link or even click on the QR code icon at the top left corner on that page so that colleagues can just scan your phone and add it from there. This makes it really easy to share the app with others. The second tab lists all of our videos, even the ones that have been outdated or become obsolete due to technology changes or companies being sold or apps that aren't really useful anymore. It's a complete archive of every video. Oh, note that there's a handy search bar at the top which will let you search not only the titles but also the words in the descriptions or even timestamps. So this should make it easy to find the right video. You'll notice an all and favorites slider here. It'll let you filter for only the videos that you've marked as favorite. To use this feature, you're going to need to open up a video, then tap the heart next to the word favorite above the video. The first time you do this, you're going to be prompted to add your email address. Now, don't worry, this will not put you on a spam list, and I don't even get to see the email addresses myself. Instead, the app uses them to email you a PIN and finalize your registration. You can then check your mail, copy the PIN, and enter it into the next screen. Now the app can remember your favorites. The favorites feature is primarily for saving videos you reference a lot, but it's also a great way to tag videos as one you might want to watch at a later date. After you've favorited some videos, you can see just those by using the slider on the All Videos tab. Now while we're here, note that each video page has an embedded video that will play directly on your device, and it has timestamps for you to see what's covered. Many of our older videos are not yet timestamped, but I'm working on getting those up to speed eventually. For now, the ones that do have timestamps, the more recent ones, actually segment the scrubber bar, so you can even skip ahead easily that way. If the video is a little bit too small, tap the full screen icon while the video is playing and it'll go full screen on your phone or even computer. Finally, if you want to share the video with someone, you have three options. First, you can tap the three dots on the video as it's playing and choose Share. That shares it directly from YouTube. Second, you can scroll to the bottom and copy the link that's displayed. And third, you can show someone the QR code on each page and they can just scan it. Finally, I wanted you to be able to browse the videos by category because sometimes you aren't really sure what you're looking for. This was actually technically tough to implement since the videos often exist in multiple categories. Anyways, just tap the category and see which videos match. Note that the deprecated or obsolete videos will not show up in the category view. Right, so how did we create this app? Well, it didn't cost us any money, and we didn't have to hire a third-party company to do this. I made the app, and I should note that I needed 0 coding skills to do this. I made this app for free, as I said, with a handy little tool called Glide Apps. Now, we covered an intro to Glide way back in Tech Tuesday number 74, and I've always kind of meant to do an update. I even called it Part 1 in anticipation of a Part 2. But honestly, I forgot, and an update video would have been a lot of work because we would have gotten into the real nitty-gritty parts of it. And Glide started making their own how-to videos and their own library of support. And they kept changing, and every couple of weeks, more things would come out. And I was just like, oh man, this thing, I want to let it settle for a bit. Well, they haven't settled. They continue to update all the time. But the core functions are still in that first video if you want to see it. Perhaps I need to do a newer Intro to Glide 2022 video, but that's still for another day. So check out our app, download it, install it on your device, and you'll have easy, searchable access to all of our library. It's just going to continue to grow. We're not slowing down, I'm not stopping, and we're going to continue to bring you the best, easy, quick tech tutorials we can. Alright, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you did find it useful, and if you did, hey, click that like button. Join us and click the subscribe button and hit that bell so you get an email every time we update a video. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video in the YouTube box or in the app. And share this video with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.